Hello. I got a really big box here. I had to move the camera up. I wonder if I can slide this up a little bit more. Okay, anyway, it says integrated solar motion light. It's from a company called Deelat, D-E-E-L-A-T. They're new to us. They asked me to review it. I love solar powered things. Just, it makes it a lot easier, and I've had a lot of good experience with them here. This is a really large type of solar light. Now, I have you've seen smaller ones I've reviewed and stuff like that. This one is supposedly 11.1 by 7.2 by 8.1 inches, or about 28 by 18 by 20 centimeters. It is IP65 waterproof rated, of course. The big solar panel on it and stuff like that, which you'll see in a second. The price right now is $55.80 from the Deelat website. Let's check it out here. And you'll see just how big this thing is. We have our basic, operation user guide. The one thing neat about this is you can actually replace the battery in this one. It has a replaceable battery. I'll show you in the back. There's some screws you take out. But here it is. Here, there's not much to it. It's like the other ones I've looked at, except just a whole lot bigger. Now let's check this out here. Now, I should note here, this is supposed to come with mounting hardware. It doesn't, but for me, it's not a big deal. I have, screws and stuff like that. So, whatever. Anybody else, I'm pretty sure they'll come with it. But here's the solar panel there. As you can see, it's really large. Even the whole thing is big. It's fairly heavy, but it is aluminum and plastic. Let me put it this way. It's lighter than it looks. But it is still heavy. Here's the back here. Here's the removable battery. Take out these screws and you can pop the battery out and you can replace it with another one here. This says 700 lumens, 3-watt solar panel. Batteries are 4,000 mAh. It is supposed to last all night long. Takes supposedly 8 to 9 hours charging time. Now, their website actually says this is 1,000 lumens. But, as I said, that says 700. Here is here's the base, or underneath here. This does have a little protective covering over the reflector, but there's the array of LEDs. It's pretty big, and there's actually some more LEDs down in here for some reason, which is odd. I've never seen one with. There's 3 LEDs down in there. Here's our sensor, and there's a main power as well. You just stick a little pin in there. During shipping, it's the on-off, so it doesn't come on. But here we have, let's see, 700 lumens, 34-piece LED. Color is 2700 to 6500K. It is on dim, and it's like other ones. It's on dim at nighttime, but then when there's motion, it comes on. Lighting time is 3 nights on a charge. Okay, that's weird, but okay. 7 to 8 hours, this says here. IP65. 70 lumen warm dim, 700 lumen pure white light by the sensor. Which, 700 is still fine, even if it's 1,700 at that point. In the middle of the night, it's not going to be much of a difference really between them. This would be more than enough to light up my porch, which is where I want this for coming up my steps. But you can see there's a protective covering over this, which is a reflector, of course, will make it seem a little bit brighter. All in all, it feels very nicely made. It looks nice. I will have to mount it and test it out. But there's 2 holes there for attaching it, and then there's the other one is here actually. So you kind of have to, you put it on with this one, and then you go through and you finish from the front side. But nice, very large solar panel. For the price, $55.80. Yeah, I think it. For me, something like this is very much worth it. I like the security that these provide. This will light up my whole porch more than enough, I'm sure. But the lat, I will take some more pictures once I get it installed and let you know how it is. All right, thanks a lot.